Good evening, welcome to another sneaky day trip or evening trip. Again, just down the road, Llandulas. You can see the pier in the distance to show you a bit closer. Hopefully get the drone up. This here, we believe, was an ammunition hut for the quarry. There's Richard, which is based over there. This is where they use a jetty now. Right, let's get on. Sun's starting to go down, another hour or so. But here is a closer look at the quarry jetty. There's Richard, and the quarry is just probably up here. Well, it is definitely up there, you just can't see it from here. Gonna get the drone up, get a few aerial shots. The only thing is, you can see it's pretty bland. There's not a cloud in the sky, unfortunately, otherwise the sunset would be better. Just gonna get a bland orange sky, which should be pretty, but not as good as having a few clouds. Right next to the A55. We're just going down here because the sun's dropping now, as you can see. Lovely picture, nice silhouette and a nice sun. Thanks for watching, hope you can catch us on the next one. See you next time, bye.